So, this is the 1964 Lambretta TV175. It's taken me a while to get this one back on the road, about 7 years in total. Bit of a winter job, but we need to drop the engine out, and that needs to be split because the casings are leaking oil like there's no tomorrow. Unfortunately, I had the engine rebuilt and tuned, but what the tuner failed to tell me was that the engine casings had been welded on the inside, and unfortunately there's so much weld involved there that the chain case and the engine casings don't marry up together properly, and as I experienced on my first proper ride out on this, which was Guernsey, I got onto the ferry, and when we got off the ferry in Guernsey 7-8 hours later, the entire contents of my gearbox oil had basically spilled out. I managed to get to sort of an old Royal Enfield motorcycle shop out there, get some gasket seal, and take the chain case off, mother it, put it back on, and get it to a point where it was just passing drops of oil. Long story short, got it home, took the chain case off, checked the measurements and realised that the engine case itself had been warped during the process of welding up the broken parts of it. So a search started. I managed eventually to find a new old stock set of TV175 casings. To be fair, they are immaculate. So the job today is to drop the lump out of this one, and then over the next few weeks all the internals will be taken out, popped into the new casing. Hopefully the existing chain casing, which doesn't look damaged at all, will fit perfectly onto that, and we can get the engine back in and this little baby will be good to go. So today we're going to show you very simply how to quickly drop an engine out of a Lambretta. Hope you enjoy.